Good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. We finished up with our siding at the barn project and thought everybody would like to see it finished up. Got a nice shelter roof over the door. Solid vinyl soffit underneath. This was a mastic 7-inch board and batten. All the gables trimmed out really nice. It's a great product. The customer wanted something that had an old look to it but would be weatherproof and low maintenance, and I believe they've got it with this. We were really happy how this product went on. Mastic's done a good job with engineering a product that's easy to install. We were unable to get a T-strip in this color for some reason, so we used self-tapping 1/4-inch screws, screwed 2 pieces of J back to back, and I believe that's adequate. Looks nice. Isaiah and Macario and Jose did just a really first-class job on the job. Everything's as it should be. These are some repurposed windows that the client had from another home. It's an Anderson True Line. In a week or so, we're going to be putting a shed roof over this area, just to help with the water, make this area a little more usable. Nice tight corners on the J. And the exterior of this project is finished. So as always, if you need quality exterior work, siding, framing, roofing, gutters, decks, additions, we've got the experience and crews to make it easy for you. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Have a great day.